Share the wealth, lucrative ideas for affiliate marketing. When you become an affiliate, you market the product of the larger company to sections of their audience that they may not be able to reach. The methods for going about this vary for every person, but some of the same principles are always present, if you break the marketing campaign down into smaller sections and begin to study. Luckily, that has already been done for you and the results will be provided in this very video. When finding proper keywords to market your business, you should avoid the words, terms and phrases that are most searched. It might seem like common sense to go with the words that are receiving the biggest hits, but by doing this, you are competing in a very large market. Try to cater to niche markets, where you will be able to stand out. Do not be afraid to try different programs. If you don't like one, try another. Check out things like payment structures, what each program provides and how you can benefit. There is also no need to just go with bigger networks. Try viewing your favorite vendors to see what they offer. Test the product. The only real way for you to know if you want this product to be affiliated with you, is to try it out. Saying you know something works because you have tried it is much more trustworthy and reliable than saying you read about it on their website. The goal is to help the parent company sell their products through your advertisements or websites. This is a great example of a silent partnership in the business world and is responsible for building new businesses and keeping older ones alive. In the end, the information provided will help everyone involved walk away with profits in the bank. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.